Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create dark portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. Open your image in Photoshop. Duplicate the image layer and convert this layer to Smart Object. Now go to Image and click on Calculations. Change the channel to gray. Change the blending mode to multiply. In Results section, select the new channel. Now go to Channels and select the Alpha 1 channel. Go to Select and select all or press the shortcut Ctrl+A. Go to Edit and click on Copy. Create a new layer and deselect the selection. Now paste it on the new layer. Create a new Curves Adjustment layer. Create 2 points and adjust them accordingly. This looks fine to me. Your dark portrait effect is ready. Here's the before, and here's the after. I hope you have find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing Photoshop tutorials.